Get a photo of that.
Oh my goodness.
Get a photo of that. That's amazing. Wow.
Today we are in Durban, South Africa, and it's an exciting day. We're on another Cunard day tour. This time it's a safari. It's called Tala Game Reserve.
We've only got 5.5 hours to do this. Not sure we can do a whole game reserve in 5.5 hours, but we'll see what happens.
How many of the big five are we going to see? I'm not sure.
Maybe one, maybe two.
Maybe two.
We'll see. Ready to go.
Absolutely. Good fun, is a black one. So cool, isn't it?
Yeah, got some good video then.
Oh my goodness.
Get a photo of that. That's amazing. Wow.
So awesome. Oh, look at him, he's sitting there. Oh, he's posing for you.
It's just so amazing. See all these giraffes right here in front of us.
Amazing creatures. Very cool. giraffe over there. Another giraffe over there. Just, sure, that's what you do
That's what you do on an African safari.
on a Thursday. Thursday? Friday. Friday.
Thursday.
Thursday. I have no idea. Nice. Gorgeous.
Push up there. Impala, the only mammal which control their babies.
Dusty. Well, that was amazing. I don't know what to say.
Can you actually do a safari off the ship in a few hours and actually see a lot of the animals? Yes, you can. And it is absolutely worth it.
Doing it. This is
You'll need a
amazing.
chiropractor afterwards because
It's all part of the fun.
get bumped around in the cars. But it is actually awesome. We saw hippos, zebras, giraffes.
The giraffes were just amazing.
The giraffes were amazing. It was really, really cool.
So surreal.
Really, really cool. Now we're going to go check out the gift shop.
And get some food.
Hey, gift shop.
Food.
Gift shop. Loads of different traditional arts and crafts you can buy here at the shop. Which is really cool.
Yes, wow, welcome to South Africa. This is a beautiful place to be. So you enjoy a lot in South Africa. And by right now, we are at the Tala Game Reserve. Our guests were extremely happy. Just they saw a lot of animals there. So they count many animals in the private Tala Game Reserve. So welcome, you're missing a lot.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and join us for more travels as we explore the world one adventure at a time.